Greetings. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist. We are in the video series 108 sales question from my fourth book 108 sales question, and today we are discussing question number 8. Let me read the question for you. Leads should come to me directly without me putting any effort. What should I do so that I don't have to generate leads? Good question, right? So this is a state all the businessmen, all the CEO, all the sales heads want to be there, right? You don't have to put any efforts. Lead should comes to you automatically. But we all know that, friends, nothing comes automatic in life, right? Either you put effort now or you put humongous, massive effort in the past, built a great credibility and brand in the market, so people reach out to you automatically. So the question is, if you're already a great brand, already have done a lot of content in the digital medium, then leads may come to you naturally. Even big companies like even Microsoft and Apple consistently invest billions of dollars to generate leads. So my answer to the question is, I don't think there will be a situation where you will not put any effort and leads come to you automatically. If you're very content and you don't want to grow, or you're already in a good job, then your existing customers will refer you. That itself is enough. But you want to consistently grow every year, we have to put effort on lead generation, both in the digital medium and also in the traditional way of generating leads. Okay, that's my perspective to the questions. Thank you, friends. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on LinkedIn and Insta. See you soon in the next video. Signing off, this is Subramanian Chandramouli.